I'm thankful for food. Okay, here we go. So today we are changing my brakes, my brake pads and rotors. There we go. Now we're on my cell phone because my GoPro battery's dead, and since we're in the middle of a move, my charger's gone. So we're just going through all sorts of cameras today. Anyway, about to pull the rotor off. Doesn't look too bad, but I'm not a professional, but I know how to kind of do this. So yeah, let's have fun with it. It's pretty dirty in here. Made in Australia. Wow, I've never seen that before. Australia. Very good. You know what that tool is called?
No.
That's the ratchet. Almost done with the driver's side. Brake system. Titus helped a lot. Right now he's digging a ditch.
I think it's moving now.
I think so.
Nope.
Alright, we got the clips in there. Now I gotta get the brake pads. See, look at those brake pads. They're nice, aren't they? What's a Bible lesson for the day? What are we learning lately? I think patience. Just being patient helps a lot. Oh, and then also what we learned in church, Ecclesiastes is really good. Just this past, like I've been trying to apply it, like, you know, like life is like smoke. Like you can't really hold on to anything. You really can't. Like it's not in your control to get a promotion or a job or anything. So like just enjoy where you're at. Like enjoy the sun, enjoy the air, like enjoy spending time with your family. So that's what I've been learning lately, is just to chill and be, you know, just have fun with whatever situation God has me in. Yeah, work hard, but don't stress about it. So that's what I've been learning lately. So don't stress, work hard. That's a good verse for that. Be anxious for nothing. I think I'll put the verse up. I don't remember it, but I'll put it up right now. Bumper. My nose itches. Alright, so today is day 2 of working on the brakes. Unfortunately, I tested them out last night and they were smoking. And now I'm out here today and it looks like my caliper slide pins are rusted in there. I should have checked those before I actually took it for a drive. I didn't even think about it. I didn't think about it because I didn't know about it. So that's what I'm trying to do right now, is just get them unstuck. They're right there, put some PB Blaster on that.